to practice it is you're looking at the person's eyes, and then all you do is you just go like this, and then the second you disconnect from their eyes, you're looking at the top of their forehead. That's a good one. In the Adidas shirt. That's good, awesome. That's good, that was a good one. So now, but notice you did it good, but then you started going like that, and that shows emotion, which then gives a message to the other person. So what makes more sense? Giving an emotion that you're upset if someone's making fun of you, or going, it's okay, listen, some people, so should we yell out answers, or should we think about them first and then yell them out? Okay, and there you go. All right, so check it out, ready? So give me the power look in 3, 2, 1. Nice, let's do it. That was awesome. You got it, that was awesome. Let's do the other side. It's hard, right? Okay, so same thing, ready? Power look, watch his face in 3, 2, oh, you can't, that's a good point, okay. I appreciate you telling me. Ready, set, go. Okay, but then, so, here's the thing. That was good, but then he started laughing. It was awesome. All right, that was awesome. Give me a high five. Appreciate you. Go have a seat.